One of the biggest problems faced by manufacturers today is wasted time and money. Most of this is caused by inefficiencies in the supply chain. Currently, there is no viable solution beyond a mix of technologies, processes, and resource management. Even if you bring every process and component in-house, there are still the human and cost factors to consider. Manufactory have brought together over 50 years of senior blue-chip manufacturing experience in order to solve this issue. We've combined AI and machine learning with distributed ledger technology to create a unique platform for manufacturers, bringing them together with their supply chains and creating visibility around machinery, equipment, processes, and workflows. This is a truly revolutionary step toward Industry 4.0 and will support the factories of today as they become the factories of the future.